I seen my first helicopter when I was about 12 or 13 years old, and it straight away fascinated me. I started when I was 19. I had my helicopter license when I was 21. I was one of the originals that were here before it all started. The connection we get with the tourists, some of the people that come back time and time again, they can't get enough of it. And a lot of times they'll bring friends and they've already been here 2 times and just so they can go and do it again. A lot of times the older people, when they turn up here, they're not that convinced that they can do it. When they get out, they're 20 years younger. Totally the people they should be, really. It's going to be locked in their memory of one of their highlights in New Zealand. To have this as my backyard, I'm probably the luckiest person in the world.